Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, it's a new day. I'm going to carry on with this theme of making myself really uncomfortable and drawing things that I don't really want to draw on camera, but it's like I say, this is my daily sketchbook. I'm supposed to be improving. I can't improve if I don't push myself, and I'm not pushing myself. I don't try and draw things I'm not comfortable with. So, we've got this drawing, painting, photograph. We've got this photograph from the Ravenglass and Eskdale Railway. Three of their locomotives. I don't know how many locomotives they have. I could look it up. I'm going to. Look on the Ravenglass and Eskdale website. Ascan. Um, like I say, I've research is a good skill. Yeah, everyone to learn. Trust me, I did research for quite a few years. It's a degree via research where you have your own research project. You have to go out and find previous writings, research. Come up with new knowledge based on yeah, had swelling recently, so trying to do that sort of thing is beyond what my brain can process, unfortunately. Uh, uh, so, looking for perfection, looking for So that's there. Yeah, I really need to push myself a lot more for the millionth time. No, because for the work I want to do in the future, just got to be. Because in art, there's always like the work you're doing, the place you want to be. And you can't just go from the place you are to the place you want to be. You know, it's. Takes time. It takes energy. Just fed up of it all. I'm fed up of it all taking so much time. But I've always watched other people, and I've always been impressed by how fast other people seem to improve. For me, it is slow. And as frustrating as it is, I will keep doing it. I don't have any other choice. I do have people who say, you know, it's not about being naturally talented, it's about but I would always consider myself naturally untalented. I've just worked hard to get where I am. I have difficulty with my hands. I don't have much fine motor control. I've always worked hard to kind of overcome it. Be a slow writer. Because it takes so much more energy to, like when I was doing like A levels and stuff, because I didn't do art A level, I did maths, further maths, physics, chemistry. I often had to I had to invent my own shorthand to be able to keep up with like chemistry and physics notes during class. Because the teacher wouldn't write it out, the teacher would have like OHPs and just okay. Especially when I went to uni, I had an older lecturer, and he would put stuff on and go, okay, you need to write this one down, or you don't need to write this one down, but just go, and you'd have less than 2 minutes. Hated his classes, hated his classes. It's one of those, if you're a lecturer, please give us a bit more time. And yeah, I say OHP because overhead projector, so I used acetate, clear acetate, which had either been printed on or written on, and they just use the same notes over and over again. And I wish I could joke and say, no, I'm joking, that wasn't a thing. That was a thing, and that was post 2000, where we were still using overhead projectors that weren't computer notes because, you know, people at home didn't. Most people I knew didn't have a computer. When I was at uni, I assume a lot of people had computers. I went to uni with a lot of richer people, and I couldn't afford my own computer. I got given one eventually by the special needs department, but a lot of the poorer students didn't have their own computers. They had to use the university ones. The poorest, I think. They used the university ones, so for a long time I did too. My parents couldn't afford to send me to uni at all, so I'd had to work before I went. Sorry. Had to work before I went, and even then, I couldn't afford a computer. Not and have enough work before I went to have as much money saved up as I could, but it wouldn't have put me through all 4 years, sorry, because it was a straight to masters, so it was a 4-year course, and I did that. So then, at the time, you had to pay for your own master's program, you see. But if you did a direct to masters, they paid for it because it was an undergrad course. So you only had to pay once to effectively get a higher degree. The way I was planning on funding the rest was through scholarship, because they had a scholarship in the chemistry program that if you came in your class. You got £1,000 a semester towards studying. So I work my butt off. My butt off for, and once I'd done the exams, I just fell out of love with it. I didn't want to do it anymore. So I found a train, came home. It was snowing. The day I left. Train. Watch the city disappear. It's one of those where I really love the city where I was, but I didn't like the people. I struggled with the people. A lot of the people I was studying with, because you know, I'd never struggled in my life. Anyway, a month later, they sent me my results, and I had come top of the class as far as I'm aware. Basically, I showed my results to one of my friends, and his jaw dropped. Because yeah. I'd scored near enough 100% on quite a few of the exams. 96% sort of thing. And the exams were supposed to be hard and scary and impossible. No, just math. And that's pretty much why I fell out of love with chemistry, was because it was just maths. And although I'm good at maths, I don't love maths. I always wanted to kind of be a painter for film and TV. Work with George Lucas, that sort of crap. Obviously, I don't have the skill, but yeah. We'll get there. We'll get to where I want to be one day. But it won't be that sort of time scale. It'll be, you know, this is where I am. This is where I want to be. It's going to take some time. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Go out and make some imperfect wishy-washy art. Just have fun. That's more important than ever working for George Lucas. It's been and not be worried about those ridiculous oversized goals. Anyway.